In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly rewrite text using Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any paragraph, paste it into Grok, and get a clear, polished rewrite that fits your tone and purpose. Whether you're updating a report, refreshing a blog post, or simplifying something for easier reading. First, open Grok AI. You can use the official website in your browser or launch the Grok AI app on your device. Give it a moment to load so everything is ready. If you're switching between devices, just make sure you're on the latest version of the app or have a stable internet connection for the web experience. Next, open the chat interface. This is the main conversation window where you'll interact with Grok. If you've used it before and there's older context in the thread, consider starting a fresh chat to keep the rewrite focused on just the text you're working with. Quick note before we proceed. If you need the download link for the app or the direct link to the website, you'll find it right at the top of the description. I've placed it there so you can access Grok AI quickly and follow along. Now, enter your text. Copy the paragraph or document section you want to rewrite and paste it into the chat input box. It's a good idea to keep your original text handy for comparison, and avoid including any sensitive information, like private details or credentials, so your content stays safe. Ask Grok to rewrite it. A simple prompt works great, like rewrite this text or paraphrase this paragraph. If you already know the style you want, add it to your prompt, such as rewrite this in a friendly, professional tone, or paraphrase this for clarity while keeping technical terms. Review the output carefully. Read through the rewritten version to make sure the meaning is preserved and the voice matches what you need. Check the length. Sometimes you'll want it shorter, other times a bit more detailed. If there are brand phrases, quotes, or numbers that must remain unchanged, confirm they're intact. Finally, refine if needed. You can ask Grok to try again. Adjust the tone, simplify the language, or make it more concise. Be specific, for example. Make this more conversational. Shorten this to half the length, or explain this at a beginner level. Iterating once or twice usually gets you a spot-on result. That's how you can quickly rewrite text using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.